Hello friends, welcome to Wonder Minds. This video is about 7 science-based way to raise your IQ. We all know that IQ numbers say something about our intelligence, but what exactly is IQ? An IQ, abbreviated from intelligence quotient, is the total score, derived from standardized tests that measure a person's intelligence. Neuroscientists said that adults are capable of changing their IQ, both for better and for worse. Here are 7 science-based ways to raise your IQ. First, simple workout. You believe it or not, running, cycling, and strength training can all make you smarter. Physical exercise improves cognitive health and even enhances the functioning of brain regions responsible for controlling your cognitive processes. Exercise is believed to modulate metabolic mechanisms that support brain functioning. But to put it simply, the increased oxygen intake, better nutrition, hormones release, neurotransmitter changes, and other things happening during exercise influence our brain on the molecular level, and this apparently makes you smarter. Next, play chess. There's a reason chess has been played for centuries, and by royalty. An intricate and complex game, it develops your problem-solving skills, improves your concentration, and stimulates both sides of the brain, which helps strengthen your corpus callosum. According to a study out of Venezuela, children who took chess classes for 14 weeks significantly increased their IQ. Another 2003 study out of Flinders University in Australia came to the same conclusion. Participants who played chess demonstrated improved IQ levels. Next, starve your brain. This may seem counterintuitive, but going without food for some time may help your mind stay sharp in the long run. For instance, intermittent fasting, which involves going without food for around 16 hours and eating your regular meal at the end of a fasting session, was found to make the brain more resilient to damage. This practice will also increase the number of new neurons according to new findings. So, skip looking for best brain foods to boost your brain power and don't eat any foods instead, but for a short while, of course. Another important one is meditation. Meditation could be considered a form of brain exercise because they involve training the mind to become silent. Unlike conventional exercises that train the brain to become better at processing information, the aim of meditation is to become more observant. One systematic review of the studies of the effects of meditation on cognition found that it helped prevent age-related cognitive decline. Furthermore, a study that was published in Consciousness and Cognition found that meditation improved visuospatial processing, working memory, and executive functioning. Next, learn new language. According to neuroscience, learning a foreign language makes your brain grow. Because you're navigating a new set of complex rules, such as grammar different from your native tongue, it forces cortical thickening and increases in the volume of your hippocampus. In plain language, that means you're causing the language centers in the brain to expand, which eventually helps with other language tasks like negotiating, reading, and problem solving. Learn musical language. A study out of the University of Zurich showed that becoming proficient in a musical instrument can raise the IQ of both adults and children. Playing music can raise your IQ by 7 points or more. You could go from 98 to 105 just from learning how to strum Free Fallin'. Get enough sleep. According to science out of Loughborough University's Sleep Research Center, every hour less than the recommended 8 hours of sleep a night can knock off a full point from your IQ. In fact, their report concluded that regularly losing 2 hours of sleep a night can cause someone with an average IQ to become borderline retarded. So, it is important to sleep for about 8 hours to balance your IQ. While your IQ will probably remain the same throughout your life, that does not mean you can't become smarter than you already are. After all, IQ can measure only certain aspects of your cognitive capacities while completely ignoring others. Make sure to follow the tips provided here, and you'll be able to keep your mind sharp, your memory fresh, and your focus strong. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get upcoming videos.